Welcome to Awesome Task Manager. So I built this package, this Unity package, in order to basically improve my node tracking and improve keeping track of what I'm doing in the project. I know there's tools like Trello, ClickUp, and so on, and also for the notes feature, I know I usually use Obsidian. But the thing about Obsidian though is the fact that it's local on my PC, so I can't bring it with me. And also, it's not in the project, so most of the time I'm a bit lazy, so I don't actually want to open up Obsidian and then write notes. And I think it'll be easier once it's in here, which is why I built this feature in the first place. So yeah, so we have a board. So this kind of the Kanban board, so you can drag it over here. So this is now a in progress, as you can see. You can drag it over here. Depending if your team needs extra boards, you can go, I don't know, what else would you need? Or future. And then you can go add, and you can go, I need to make game good. Let's put that category as gameplay. Also, you can set, for the categories, you can set color labels for them. Make it easier for you to spot them by just looking. And then here let's go make, well, you'd actually need a description. Make game good. And then let's set that task for in a month. If we do it in a day, it'll tell you it's doing a day. If we go 3 days, it'll tell you it's doing 3 days, and so on and so forth. And then we can do good. But make game good. No, I didn't have that last one. But yeah, so we can then use the scroll bar to just make it clear here. And then we can move, you can use these arrows up here to drag it over. Say if we want to hide all the tasks that I currently have shown, let's press hide all, show all, will show all the tasks. You can also press the button up here to individually hide the tasks. So for this one, so for future, we're like, okay, we needed this column, but now we don't. So we're just gonna drag it over here. We're currently in progress for that, and then we're just gonna delete that column. Boom, gone. Your team is thinking about maybe adding a new mode, so you're like, okay, let's add a new mode. New ice arena. Save. Maybe bring this over. Add new bowling arena. I see. I don't know. And then save. And then also you can say if you take a screenshot here. I'll take a screenshot of this. And also go here and then attach it there. So it's gonna see that's legit just screenshot it's stuck. Yeah. So that's what the board area does. And also we can just go ahead and delete that. Yes. Now I'm back in my force board. For the notes, we can go new note. Well, actually, it's already gonna default to that. So here, we can go. So I'm in preview mode. We can go edit mode. So this is just a .md file. So we can go. I don't know. I want to be good at Fortnite, and then same thing here. You can also take a screenshot. I don't know. Let's take a screenshot of my task over here, and then just click back into it, paste, go into preview mode. There it is. There's the screenshot. It's stuck. We can also add different colors to these. We can pin them. We can export. No, oh no, that's the folder actually. So say if we create a new folder here, important note. And let's also rename this, so we can rename it by clicking out of here, and then let's call this important, or let's call this Fortnite. And then that's saved. And then let's save that. And then boom, there it is. And then the one that's highlighted green is the one that you're currently in. Then you can move it back to unfiltered or unfiled, and then back to important notes. Yeah, so that's what this one does. Let's see, is there any other cool features? Oh yeah, you can also bring in a note. So that's not bringing in anything important. So let's go with timer for Audible. Yeah, so if you click there, you can see a preview. This is just a timer for Audible, basically. It's just that Audible is dumb and it doesn't have its own timer feature, so you need to put that into the code on the website. You guys don't care, but so yeah, so I pressed import. It's imported it. As you can see, it imported it in there fine. Preview mode, same thing. You can also go ahead and export that back out. So go, but it exports it back out as a MD file, new. And that will have exported it out as a new file, as you can see here. That's a new file. We can go open with Notepad. I'm opening it with Notepad. And then there you go. As you can see, it was created just now. Also, as you can see there, proof that it is a new file. Yeah, so that's it, basically. I think it's a pretty cool kit. It's gonna be pretty cheap. I think I'm doing $5 or less. So, oh yeah, and you can also add different categories here, and you can delete them here also. You can color code them here. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope if you do try it out, you enjoy it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think.